Hello guys, in front of me LG Q60, and I wanna show you how to use one hand mode in this device. Of course, in LG this is not called one hand mode, it is mini view. So just to use it, we have to open the settings. Now we have to go to the display, scroll down, and now click here to activate. And if you wanna use the one hand mode, just click here and swipe on the right. Oh, again, and now just press on the OK. And as you can see, this is how it looks. And if you want to, of course, close this, just click here on this marker. So feel free with using this cool feature. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below. So thank you for watching again.